A farmer moves along the boundary of a square field of size 10 meter in 40 seconds. Size 10 meters, 10 meters, 10 meters, 10 meters in time 40 seconds. It means the total distance is 40 meters and it is taking 40 seconds time to cover one round. So it means that one round takes 40 seconds. Two rounds will take 80 seconds. Three rounds will take 120 seconds. The question is saying what will be the magnitude? Magnitude means value. What will be the value of displacement of the farmer at the end of 2 minutes 20 seconds? At the end of 140 seconds from initial position. Now we have to find out in 140 seconds how many rounds. Now in 40 seconds we know one round, right? In 80 seconds it will be two rounds. In 120 seconds it will be three rounds, right? So we can write like this. 40 seconds is equal to one round, right? So 1 second will be how much? 1 second will be 1 by 40 round. In 140 seconds, in 140 seconds, how many rounds? 1 by 40 into 140, okay, round. Now this, from here we get 0, 0 cancel. 4 how many times here? 3 times 0.5 times 20. So we can write 3.5 round. It means 3.5 round covers in 140 seconds. So the farmer is covering here 3.5 rounds in 140 seconds, right? Now you see, in 3 rounds the total displacement will be 0. In 3 rounds the displacement will be 0. Let us consider this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. This farmer has started moving from A, going back, going, and then coming to A, one round. That one round is taking 40 seconds, right? The total displacement 0. Again second round comes back here, displacement 0. The third round, displacement 0. Now we have 3.5 rounds. After the third round, it goes here and it stops here. So it starts from here and it stops here on fourth round. We know that displacement is the shortest distance from the initial position to final position. Alright. So this is the initial position and this is final position. So this is the total displacement. Alright. Now we have to find out the distance from here to here. That will be the displacement. Alright. A to C, 10 meters, 10 meters. We have a formula for this kind of right angle triangle. Hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Now hypotenuse is, we have AC whole square plus perpendicular BC whole square plus we have base AB whole square. Now we can find out the distance AC. We have to find out AC. 10 meters, 10 meters. 10 square plus 10 square. We can write this one AC. If we cancel this one, this square, we can put root over here. So it will be 10 square plus 10 square, right? Again, after that, we can write AC is equal to root over 10 square 100, again 10 square 100, 100 plus 100, 200, we will get 10 root 2. Shortest distance, so AC is the displacement. And what is the unit? It is meter. Alright, don't forget to write the unit. It is very important.